I am sideways, but this will do. Gentlemen, welcome to our first resistance meeting. So our goal is basically to overthrow and destroy as best as possible the Reich and the German oppressors that has befallen us. Exactly. Yes, no, we shouldn't have to live under this terrible regime. Very true. Very, very true. It's okay, I knew what you meant. I knew what you meant. I mean, we're not living under a tranny. It's fine. We run around town. Run around the city. Oh, that was an explosion. What the fuck is going on? Did anyone else hear that? Has it started as the other resistance beat us? Yes, Mr. Zombie, yes. Come on in, everyone, come on in.
What up, dude?
Oh, he's gone. There's a spare chair for someone if anyone wants anything. Right, okay. Mr. Zombie, please. I'm sure he... Mind you, he was wearing white. You can never trust anyone wearing white. Do the job, Mr. Zombie. We have faith in you.
What is he doing?
He's going to send a message to the people of Berlin.
Ah, okay. I want to use this.
So do I. I want to use mine as well. What shall we just...
And I want to change my tie.
This will be our first mission. Let's go out and let's kill someone. Let's go, let's go. Who will be our target?
I have 6 bullets and I'm not afraid to use them.
Oh, same here. Get some more...
Yeah.
Mr. Zombie, how did it go? Doriv. Hello. So, Werner, if you create a distraction, go to a soldier, we'll stand back for a little bit. You go to a soldier, you start up a nuisance, I don't know, punch him or something. When he comes out to, like, arrest you or whatever, we'll all come out and we will shoot him, and then leave a message for them. Does this sound good? Okay, right. Let's go. Everyone, prepare yourselves. Let's go. Werner, you lead the way.
What a beautiful weather outside.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Look at the birds. Wow.
Wow. Oh, look at them horrible, horrible Jew homosexuals. Oh, terrible. Werner.
Nice pajamas, my friend. Nice pajamas.
Free medical checkup?
Thank you.
Can I entertain you in a free medical checkup?
Men.
Stop.
Walls of Berlin.
Schmidt, he's Jewish.
Stop right fucking
Walls of
there. You
Berlin.
told us to fuck
Kill him.
Nazis?
Communism.
Can someone else?
It's a nice day after that.
Now, everyone. Now's the time. Let's go, let's go.
Because he said that he fucked Nazis. Nazis.
Jewish.
Run, Wilhelm. Oh. Oh, everyone, there's an officer. They're coming for us. They're coming for us. Everyone run! Everyone run!
You're going to get arrested as well. Hey, Devon,
Put the gun down. Put the
I think not.
gun
No.
down.
Hey, you
Stop
out
moving,
now,
put
put
the
your
gun
gun
down.
down. Put your gun.
Put the gun
I'm innocent, I tell you, I'm innocent. I was roped into it. Walls of Berlin. Walls of Berlin, back to the building immediately. Back to the building. Back to the building. Back to the building. Run.
Stop.
Oh.
Don't hurt. No, stop. Please. Please, this man is my
Might get
friend.
kicked soon.
Stop. Stop it.
Keep killing Kurt.
You suck.
Kurt, keep killing.
Oh.
Wait for him to stand in the crowd.
Yeah. Oh.
Like, how is the... Jesus Christ.
That's a good idea.
Can we
Oh.
counter that guy? Look, they've just arrested my friend over there. Can we counter it and attack the PD?
Guys,
They arrested him.
Let's go.
Shall we kill them? Let's go,
Everyone
let's go.
advert counter. We're countering that guy's arrest. Quick.
So, can you guys put us out?
Oh.
Holy fuck!
Ah.
Yo, you! Show me your ID! Show me your ID! Stop! You are going.
Oh, I do apologise. I thought you were talking for somebody else. I do apologise.
ID now. Why are we just leaving a building that we were shot at from?
Hello, sir.
Oh, it's you.
Could-
Hello.
Could you listen to me? Hey.
Otto, please help me. Good friend, please help. I'm your
I
nephew.
think he's
I'm your nephew, Otto. Help me.
I'm coming from the CIA.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, no. He's still here.
Otto Scheifer. Help. Help, please.
I will kick you in the balls
I'll
several
fucking
times
bite your
and
balls
break
off.
your
Come back.
bones.
Come back.
I would gas you for
Ah.
retardation if you don't shut the fuck up.
Ooh. Hello.
What the hell are you doing in here?
Fine, serve
You can't be here.
I got lost.
Don't fucking move. Don't you there.
I got lost. I do apologise.
If you move 1
You
inch,
know that this
bullet
place
to your
is
head.
private, right? Did you know this place is from the military base? If you
No.
over here, then you
I'm new in town,
go-
and yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
God, you could just
Go-
lead
go in
me.
there. Go.
Just lead me out. I won't tell anyone.
Go. I
Ah.
said go. Schnell. Go.
Shit.
Boss,
boss.
Show me your ID.
Okie dokie.
Beside the OT in the train tracks. What is the question?
My ID. Da, 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 da.
I can't see it. Show me your ID. Come
Sorry, 1 second, 1 second.
Don't
I'm doing it, Give
Okay.
me 1 second, my keyboard is
ID.
rubbish.
do it. ID, paper.
Oh, wait, we can call the admin. He was pulling his gun out under gunpoint.
Yeah,
Interesting.
call it. Call an admin.
Hey. Are you guys trying to get into the base? Are you guys trying to get into the base?
Don't know. How about you? I just wanted to get a gun and don't know.
If you are, jump in the river and go left. Then you go round, and there's a little ladder round the back, and you can sneak in that way. I figured that one out, and I got arrested because I was caught. But if you can do it without being caught, then good luck.
Thank you.
That's it. That's the way. Oh. Oh shit. God. They got caught. Oh no.
Okay, that's not. I'm trying to kill them.
I know a way into the military base around the back, but I got caught once. A couple of other guys got caught as well. They're on the lookout, so got to be very careful. If you wanted to try to infiltrate the base, I can take you.
Oh, that would be nice.
It's literally this river. Go left.
Yeah.
Go down there. And then go round the side. You'll see a little bit going around the side.
Okay.
And there's like a little ladder.
I'm gonna know what. Thanks.
See ya. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Quick, come back! Come back! Come back!
Yeah.
Come back! Come back! Run! Come back! Come back!
It wasn't.
You tried. That's the main thing. Can you get up?
Again.
Oh shit! Oh gee! Oh no! Oh
fuck!
Oh no! Run! Run!
Okay.
It's okay, sir. He is. Sir, please.
I'm new.
Oh.
Sir, get the fuck away.
Sir, I'm new.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, please, sir. Please let him free,
Sir,
please.
I am new. I don't know what to do.
He's lost. Honestly, he's lost. So am I.
Last warning, and you
I don't know what to do. I'm new.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Goku.
Okay.
No.
I'm new.
Don't move.
Sir, no, please. Oh, fuck.
I'm not sure where I am. Except.
See Kyle. Heil Hitler.
See Kyle, boys.
Oh my lord. Wait, well, look behind. Oh.
What's wrong with them?
Are we meant to be here?
Are they looking for us?
Oh no, they've gone down into the sewer. Oh!
That's fine.
Step against the wall.
What's happened here?
No.
What's this all about, sir?
Oh.
What happened here?
What? What's this all about, sir?
What's this about? Wait, what is this about?
Please.
No.
Hold on, please. I need to know. We need to know.
What's this about? Wait, stop,
Hold, wait.
Why are you handling this? What's this about?
What's this all about? What have we done?
Have you seen this?
Yes, I've seen him.
Alright. ID check every man. These men to the PD. Come on, get them to the PD. Come on, all.
I've already been in prison like 6 times already for this shit. I haven't done anything, honestly.
Well, that's your problem.
Jittery.
Congrats, you're free, sir.
Thanks, man. I'm cuffed though.
Please let me out, please. Please let me out.
Let us out, please.
Sir, can you please let me out?
Please.
What the fuck?
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
No, what
Thank you.
Why
Thank
are
you
you
very
standing in the
much.
middle
Thank
of the
you.
doorway?
That's amazing. Thank you.
What the fuck? Why did you arrest me? I'm just here on sightseeing, you know?
Get back.
Man,
Oh,
I'm just here on
no.
sightseeing. Why did you arrest me?
Why the fuck are you in here?
Ludwig, come on out, buddy. Quick, get the door, go. To the door.
Get back in.
Some first
Get to the door. Thank you, Eric.
Go in the door here.
Oh, other door.
Listen, you're going to get back in before calling admin for fucking loitering, yeah?
Can't loiter in a jail.
Shut the fuck up and get back in your cell before calling admin.
You go ahead, mate.
Get the fuck back in. Can you tell him to go back?
I think I had a sit about you earlier. You not following orders
did
on
ya?
the gunpoint.
I don't remember this.
You are to follow orders on the gunpoint, and I gave you a chance before I put you in the cell. I didn't really explain anything, but you probably should understand that you can't do that.
Oh.